There are lots of mountain bikes you can pick from. They all have different things about them, good stuff, and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these mountain bikes are really helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail Mountain Bike. The Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail mountain bike is designed for riders of all ages and skill levels, offering versatility with 20, 24, and 26 sizes. Whether for boys, girls, men, or women, this bike adapts to your needs with style and performance. Choose between 6-speed or 21-speed Shimano twist shifting systems for smooth gear transitions, perfect for varied terrains. The bike features front or dual suspension options, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride over bumps and rough trails. The Comfort saddle enhances the riding experience, providing cushioning for longer journeys. Its sleek colors and modern design make it visually appealing, while the durable build ensures longevity and reliability. Ideal for both casual rides and more adventurous trails, the Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail mountain bike is equipped to handle different riding conditions. The robust frame and responsive braking system offer safety and stability. With its versatile sizes and speeds, this mountain bike is a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors with confidence and style. Number 2. Magna Dynacraft Front Shock Mountain Bike. The Magna Dynacraft Front Shock Mountain Bike is a versatile and reliable choice for riders of all ages and skill levels. Designed for both boys and girls, as well as men and women, this bike comes with two wheel size options, 24 inches and 26 inches, to cater to various heights and preferences. It features a robust front shock suspension system, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride over rough terrains. Equipped with an 18-speed grip shifter, the bike offers precise and effortless gear changes, allowing for optimal performance on both flat surfaces and steep inclines. The dual handbrakes provide strong and reliable stopping power, enhancing safety and control during rides. The Magna Dynacraft bike is built with a sturdy steel frame, ensuring durability and longevity. Whether you're commuting, hitting the trails, or just enjoying a leisurely ride around the neighborhood, the Magna Dynacraft Front Shock mountain bike delivers a high-quality, enjoyable cycling experience. Number 3. Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike. The Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike offers versatile options for riders of all ages and skill levels, including adult youth, men, women, boys, and girls. With wheel sizes ranging from 24 to 29 inches, this bike caters to various heights and preferences. Choose between 7-speed and 21-speed configurations to match your riding needs, whether you're tackling tough trails or cruising around the neighborhood. The bike is available with either an aluminum or steel frame, both designed for durability and optimal performance. The front suspension fork ensures a smooth ride over rough terrain by absorbing shocks and bumps, enhancing comfort and control. The alloy crank provides steady gearing and less maintenance, while the twist shifters allow quick, precise gear changes. The Schwinn High Timber is equipped with wide knobby tires for superior grip and stability on diverse surfaces. Additionally, its lightweight frame and quick-release seat posts make adjustments and transport effortless. Number 4. Huffy Hardtail Mountain Bikes. The Huffy Hardtail mountain bikes, available in 24, 26, and 27.5-inch sizes, cater to both men and women, offering versatile options for all riders. Designed for rugged trails and off-road adventures, these bikes feature front suspension to absorb shocks and provide a smoother ride. The fat tire option enhances stability and traction on challenging terrains, making it ideal for varied conditions. Built with durability in mind, the Huffy Hardtail comes in multiple colors, allowing riders to choose a bike that matches their style. Each bike includes a sturdy kickstand for easy parking and convenience. The robust frame ensures longevity, while the responsive braking system enhances safety on descents and uneven paths. Perfect for beginners and seasoned cyclists alike, these mountain bikes combine practicality with performance. Whether navigating mountain trails or urban landscapes, the Huffy Hardtail mountain bikes deliver reliability and enjoyment. Number 5. Mungus Flat Rock Hardtail Mountain Bike. The Mungus Flat Rock Hardtail mountain bike is designed to offer an exceptional riding experience for youth and adults, whether men or women. This versatile bike features a robust 14.5 to 18-inch aluminum frame, ensuring both durability and a lightweight ride. Catering to various rider preferences, it comes with wheel sizes ranging from 24 to 29 inches. Equipped with 21-speed twist shifters, the Mungus Flat Rock provides smooth and precise gear changes, allowing for easy adaptation to different terrains. The hardtail design, which incorporates a front suspension fork, enhances control and comfort by absorbing shocks and bumps from rough trails. This mountain bike is engineered for performance and reliability, making it ideal for trail riding, commuting, or casual rides. The knobby tires ensure excellent grip and stability on diverse surfaces, while the ergonomic handlebars offer a comfortable and controlled grip. With its sleek design and high-quality components, the Mungus Flatrock Hardtail mountain bike is a great choice for riders looking to explore the outdoors with confidence and style.